Welcome back again. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the SDA communication within the fabric when the hosts are on two different subnets. So in this topology, we can see that the host A is in 10.10.10.1/24 and host B is in 20.20.20.1/24, and that is a different IP subnet. They're both connected to edge A and edge B respectively. We see that the RLock IP addresses are defined on the edge devices, and the control plane node has the Lisp entries for the both host A and host B, along with the respective RLock IP addresses of the edge switches. So let's move to the operation. So if the destination endpoint in the SD access is in a different subnet, then this is the process that a packet follows. So as normal, the host A sends the traffic to its default gateway because it's on a different subnet. The destination IP is on different subnet, and the Anycast gateway configured on the switch A. That is, Anycast gateway is property of all the switches in SD access. We know that, and in this case, let's say the SVI is 10.10.10.254, and that is going to intercept the traffic. So Fabric Edge A then asks the control plane for the location of the IP address of the destination endpoint B. Once the Lisp query is received, the control plane node is going to look up in the database and it's going to forward that message towards edge B, that is the edge switch for the host B. So the query comes in from the edge A asking for the Lisp query for the IP address location of host B. Control plane forwards that message across to the edge B and that Lisp query. In turn, then edge B replies directly back to the edge switch A with its RLock address, basically saying that I am responsible for the host B. So it's in my connected directly to me, and that message goes then directly across to edge A. Then at that point, edge A installs the mapping and its a caching table first of all, and then we know that it's going to encapsulate the original IP header and the Ethernet header in VXLAN. And the outer IP header is going to be the VTAP of VTAP, which is the RLock of the edge B as a destination, and then forwards the traffic through the IP network across straight to edge B. So the data plane is like that. So the return traffic is processed the same way, and essentially, the and any subsequent traffic between A and B also encapsulated and forwarded through the IP network for any of the hosts connected to those edges. And that is, my friend, the traffic flow of SDA Fabric when the hosts are across on the other subnet. I hope that video has been helpful, so I will look forward to see you in one of the next video. Thank you. Bye.